Indistinguishable. Great ideas can feel indistinguishable from magic. Existential. I faced an existential question: why am I here? Consciousness. Expanding human consciousness gives meaning to progress. Confined. I refuse to live confined by fear or comfort. Worthwhile. Doing something worthwhile gives energy beyond fatigue. Wishful thinking. I now recognize wishful thinking and replace it with clear strategy. Rigorous. Rigorous self-analysis leads to real growth. Tenacious. Being tenacious means holding on when others give up. Override. My purpose overrides my fear. Probabilities. Accepting the probabilities helps reduce fear.